Hello again, YouTube, from Thane's World of Interesting Things and the Evergreen Valley Lavender Farm. Hey, I'm usually a little bit late to the party when it comes to installing things because I want to make sure I install it well before I show off. Anyway, what I wanted to show you today is my rear door bug screen, and this is the IKSTAR 72 by 80 magnetic door screen. This, of course, we found on Amazon. We're also using a set of magnets down at the bottom to hold the base. And then I got to tell you, I saw this on someone's video. I'm sorry to say I don't remember who it was, but this VHB 3M tape is a must. Of course, the Rainier is optional, but that goes behind the Velcro strap that's already got adhesive on it, but it just triples the bonding power. And then we just ran that just inside on this flange right into the corner. You can see there's a little excess up there, not a big deal. And then we centered that on the light because the door pins are not centered in the truck. And of course we can't run with this on because those door pins have to secure the door. Anyway, we're going to put this on the side door next and see how it fits. These were not expensive, and they look to be really good fiberglass mesh. Nice and fine, so hopefully it'll keep the no-see-ums out. It'll definitely keep mosquitoes out because we're on a trip to eastern Canada here shortly. So as I said, this is not meant to be used while we're driving, but it just takes, I don't know, 2 minutes to hook it up once we're parked. So the next is going to be putting on the slider. That'll be a challenge. So side real quick, this is our minimal build. We've got a sink, porta potty. We left 2 of the seats. This is a passenger van. We wanted that because we wanted the air conditioning, the airbags, and we also wanted the floor heat. So we've got our cooler. I have a Aimton lithium battery, which is amazing. It's never gone down in 4 months. And we made a bed up here. In an earlier video, you'd see that one. We hooked up shore power quite minimally. We're very stealth. You would not know necessarily that we're camping. We also have covers for all the windows for when the lights are on inside. And we just put our business logo on the back in hopes of people just thinking it's a work van and would leave us alone and don't get the dreaded knock. So that's it for now. I will follow up on the progress on the door as I do that a little bit later, and I wish you all luck. Safe travels. Thanks. Bye.